welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Tanya from Little Vintage Cottage. Today I have a furniture makeover. I haven't done any furniture makeovers for a long time and I've been having the urge to get back into it. I've actually been thinking about trying to flip some thrift store finds and sell them on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or whatever. So I started with this side table and I'll show you what I did with it. But actually I really like how this one turned out and I'm keeping it, at least for now. That's not going to work out too well if that happens with every piece of furniture. I have a chair in the garage waiting that's up next. So anyway, let's get on with it and let me show you what I did to this side table. I picked up this little round vintage end table off of Facebook Marketplace, and it was in pretty rough shape. It's, as you can see, missing the center pieces from the door. The top was really messed up with paint and whatever on it. The top and the sides of this are wood, the legs and the door are plastic, and it was missing the door handles. So I'm giving this a little makeover, and I'm starting by taking off the door, taking off the legs, and then I'm going to sand it all down. Once it was all sanded, I wiped it all down with a tack cloth to get all of the sanding dust off of it, and now I'm painting it. I chose a color called Dark Secret, and it's just regular wall paint by Behr. It's the same paint that we've used in parts of our house, and I had some, so I thought I would try it. And I'm also painting the legs and the door the same color. As I mentioned before, they are plastic, but I sanded them too, and they should be fine. Plus, I will seal the whole piece when it's done, and that will protect the paint also. And then I put the legs back on. And like I said, I am going to seal this. I like just regular brush-on poly, and that will darken up the paint a little and protect it. Now I'm moving on to the doors. I found a package of this caning. It was from Pier 1 originally. I got it at the thrift store. I think it was $6.99 for the package. And I'm just using it to make some new door inserts. when you use cane webbing like this, you need to soak it. And so I'm just running some water, just lukewarm water in the kitchen sink, and I'm just putting these in to soak for probably 15-20 minutes. Just enough to soften them up so that when you try and bend them and manipulate them, they don't crack and break. I found a package of pretty door pulls at World Market, and here's my finished little end table. I'm really happy with how it turns out. I love the little pop of color that the green door pulls add. I like the little legs. The top is beautiful, and I'm really happy with it. So be sure and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Is there anything that you would have done differently? Maybe a different color or different pulls? My name is Tanya from Little Vintage Cottage, and I have a, yeah. Okay. So if you're new, let's get right into it. Stay tuned. I've been itching a little bit so let me show you what I've done.